Alright, so I picked up this Poulan Pro lawnmower for free. The fella just said, hey, you can have it. He gave it to me with a bunch of other ones. So I'm slowly fixing them up to sell them or give them away or whatever. And I did have to replace the cable here because that was rotted, and when I pulled the lever up here, it just broke. So this is a new cable. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about the sound that it's making when I start it. So let me plug the spark plug back in. Check the oil. Well, it needs to be changed, but there's oil in there. A little bit of gas in there. Might be old gas. But what is that? I don't know, it's a metal tab. Oh, it's a magnet. Why is there a magnet there? I don't know. Anyway, so let's just start this thing up, and I'll see if it runs. Alright, starts right up easy enough, but it's making an unnatural noise. So let's look underneath and see what's going on. Alright, so we got the lawnmower tipped up, and let me quickly disconnect the spark plug. There we go. And it actually looks like a fairly new blade. It's one of the universal blades, multiple purpose. Well, let's pop this blade off and see what's going on. Oh, look at that. The adapter's coming off here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a problem. That crack is not supposed to be in there. And the part that, we'll look at a key. You can't tell from here, huh? But this has a built-in key that goes into the keyway here on the shaft, and I see that is broken off, and the keyway is not clear. So let's tap that out. All right, there it is. So that is supposed to be in there. So we need a new adapter. Let's go find one. Alright, so it turns out I don't have one of those laying around, and so we're going to get one on order, and to do that we're going to take a look at this model number. Alright, be right back. Alright, so here we are a few days later. I got the new part in, and you can see the difference between the new part and the old part. You'll see that down inside, like I said, is that part that broke. Well, that's that right there. So this is the new part, and based on this blade, it's one of these universal blades, but with a little bit of surface rust, it looks like it hasn't been used. So my guess is that somebody hit something, ruined the blade, bought a new blade, put it on, and it was still a problem, and they just kind of like pushed it off to the side until eventually they gave it to me, and this was the problem. So let's put this new piece on, get the blade on, and get this lawnmower started. Alright, so here we are with the lawnmower propped up and the spark plug wire disconnected, and you see this here's even a wasp nest. So this has been sitting around long enough for wasps to make their home here. But let's put the new adapter on. We're going to line up the key here with the keyway. That. Put the blade on. Now the blade actually says grass side, so Make sure the grass side is down toward the grass. And we're going to tighten this up to 50 foot-pounds. Let's get this back in shape. Alright, now let's get the torque wrench on there. Put a C-clamp here. And we got the wrench set at 50 foot-pounds. Oh, there it is. All right, I'm going to do one more time here, so there are no surprises. I'm going to turn this blade all the way around and make sure it doesn't hit any place. All right. Seems pretty good. All right, let's give her a start. Alright, so we got everything put back together. I changed the oil, put in a new spark plug. Let's give it a prime and see what happens. Well, it still sounds a little funky, but it mows. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to use it, and if it breaks, well, then so be it. It didn't cost me anything except a couple of bucks in parts. So anyway, there we go. One Poulan Pro with a 4 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. And if we didn't look at this already, let me show you the model number. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching.